On a snowy, blizzardy day like this where you're stuck inside and can't go out, what better way to spend your time than making a great, tasty Kerala shrimp curry? I'm going to take you through the recipe. The first thing that needs to be done is you're going to set your burner to medium heat, and then you need to coat your pan just a little bit with olive oil. Once the oil is hot, we need to take some black mustard seeds and throw them into the oil. After a few minutes, the mustard seeds will start popping, and you should be able to hear that. Once that happens, you could lower the heat a little and it'll be time for the next step. The next step is to add 2 pinches of fenugreek seeds. After the fennel seeds have been in the oil for about a minute or two, you can add in about a half of a red onion, chopped. Next, we'll want to stir the onions around the pot until they brown. It's okay if they become an amber brown. We just don't want them to turn black. That means they burn. Next, we'll want to add ginger garlic paste. This can be found at any Indian grocery store. We'll want to stir everything together so that the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste dissipates and gets slightly cooked. Next, we'll have to add a 1/4 cup of finely chopped tomatoes. Once you add the tomatoes, give it a good stir for about 2 minutes. Next, we'll add 3 teaspoons of salt. Next, we'll want to add 2 heaping teaspoons of turmeric. Next, you'll want to add 1.5 teaspoons of chili powder. If you like it spicier, you can add more, like 2. If you need less spicy, you can just add 1. We're using Kashmiri chili powder. Next, you'll want to give it a good mix before adding the next spices, just to get everything mixed together. Next, we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. We're then going to mix everything together for about 30 seconds. Next, we'll want to add 2 pounds of shrimp It's okay to use them frozen because we can use the moisture to help build the curry. We'll want to give the shrimp a good mixing, so we coat the shrimp with the liquid that's on the bottom of the pan. We're going to need 3.5 tablespoons of fish masala. We're using Eastern's fish masala, but you could use any, and it can be found at any Indian grocery store. Next, just gently toss the frozen shrimp around so that the masala powder gets evenly distributed across all of them. Next, we'll add a handful of curry leaves. They can be found at any Indian grocery store. After you add them, give the shrimp a good toss. Next, you want to add 3 pinches of fenugreek powder. Next, you'll want to add about 2 cups of water to the shrimp. You want just enough water to cover the top of the shrimp so that it cooks faster. At this point, you'll want to cover the shrimp and cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. You'll want to stir it every 3 minutes or so to make sure the shrimp gets cooked evenly. Once our shrimp are cooked through and soft to the touch, it's time to add a can of coconut milk. You want to give the pot a stir so that the coconut milk mixes with the rest of the liquid. This step is optional, but you could add 1 green chili split down the middle. This will add a little bit of flavor. Next, you'll want to heat everything up and mix them together so that all the flavors meld together. Once your curry or the liquid starts bubbling a little bit, it's time to add coconut oil. Then cover the pot up and let the coconut oil infuse with the rest of the curry. Give it one final stir and your curry is finally ready to serve. This shrimp curry is typically served over rice, but you can eat it with any other accompaniment like Indian bread such as naan, chapatis, or even parota.